This is Kotawaringin Health Clinic. How can I assist you?
Good morning, my name is Rosandani. I would like to schedule an appointment with Dr. Kinju for routine checkup.
Thank you for calling Miss Esi Prosandani. Dr. Kim Mingyu has availability on Monday and Wednesday. Which day works better for you?
Monday would be more suitable. Do you have any availability in the morning?
Yes, Dr. Kim Mingyu is available at 9 a.m. on Monday. Would you like to book this time?
Baterai penuh.
Yes, please schedule me for Monday at 9 a.m.
Your appointment with Dr. Kim Mingyu is confirmed for Monday at 9 a.m. Should you need to reschedule, please contact us in advance.
Thank you very much. I will see you then.
It is our pleasure. We look forward to seeing you on Monday. Have a wonderful day.